Hey guys. Oh yeah, I got my lobster done. Fuck. Today we have this Encon Chilli Pepper ceiling fan I got at the Fanimation meetup, I think like half a year ago, maybe 11 months ago. I'm pretty sure it was in August, like last year. I'm going to a new one, just to let you guys know, I will be at the one that is at Fanimation. So yeah, we're here with Wesley's ceiling fan corner. And we're gonna turn it on low speed. Here's the light. Put the rock quartz globe on it. Yeah, they can hear you.
Can they hear me?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll be at the Fanimation meetup.
Hold on.
Oh, glad.
What?
I don't know if anyone wants this. I don't know if anyone wants this.
Okay.
Because, ow!
What?
I just hit my leg.
Fair's medium speed. Why did I scream, bro? What is wrong with me? This thing's pretty fast. Hey, Macarena. Here's about 112 watts with this fan because of the LED lights. Let's turn this light off. Let's go to high speed. This thing flies. Here's the light on. Whoa. What the fuck? Gloves gonna fall. Hold on. My screwdriver at. Well, hold on. Okay, it's fine. If I'm able to like tug it out really lightly, the glove shouldn't fall down. So yeah, well, as you can see, it's slowing down, but these blades are pretty scratched and like chipped. Blade arms are pretty strong. I mean, this thing is like pretty tough. As you can see, it got the Rockport glove on it. Rockport glove on it matches pretty well. It doesn't look the same, but it looks enough. Looks normal enough. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.